Hey, welcome back. Today we're starting with a simple fried egg. Ah, what? Oh my gosh! Get back! Stop! Oh!
There's a dog on a bike. Do you see this?
I've never seen anything like it. My
He's
God.
actually pedaling. And the cops are chasing him.
This is crazy.
What a day.
He's really into it.
Oh my, are you kidding me? Dude, you good?
Damn, that my girl? I already hit. You can have her back, bro.
Good kitty. Oh, no. Ah, are you kidding me? What is happening?
Look at this view! I'll find you, you stupid cat!
You gotta be kidding me. That's not how that works. I'm losing my mind.